Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out services available on the Fiverr application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the home button down below to check out the popular services section. As you scroll down, you can also check out the recently viewed and more sections. If you are interested in the services, click on the See All button, and here you can browse among the available categories. So tap on a relevant one you are interested in, then select a subcategory and you are going to find all of the available results. So tap on the relevant one you are interested in, get to know to it. You can check out the videos and pictures inserted to the top. You can read about the service itself, delivery days, revision, number of levels, the price. Reviews can be checked out also, and similar services too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.